Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti QX30 Sport that we have for sale. This was once a brand new vehicle in our inventory. We plucked it out of our new car inventory and we put it in loaner car service. Basically the way that works is one of the benefits of being a new Infiniti or Certified Pre-Owned INFINITI customer is you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days. And so this has been in our care its whole life. And after about a year or so, we retire it and we make it available for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. Local, one owner clean Carfax. It's been in our care since new and we've done all the services to it. Obviously, we have only 6,810 miles. Not too much service to do. And being a 2018, that's very low miles. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. This QX30 is very unique. It is a sport model, very, very rare. I used to be the new car manager at Infiniti of Tacoma, so I did all the vehicle ordering, and I can tell you that the QX30 Sports are very, very rare. When I ordered new cars, maybe I'd order one or two of these a year versus, 20, 30, 40 regular QX30 all-wheel drives. And the Sports are front-wheel drive because it's a little bit more of a sporty platform than all-wheel drive. And since we're in the Pacific Northwest, most of the QX30s that we have are all-wheel drive, making this sport model very, very unique. Part of the sport package is you get this beautiful two-tone interior. You have this suede cloth in the middle, nice leather trim on the outside, and then you have these nice white highlights. The seat design is a little bit more sporty than the regular seats that you find in all the other QX30s, unique to the sport model. You only get these seats with the sport model QX30. Beautiful black piano finish on the interior, power and heated front seats, dual zone auto climate control. The QX30 is the only Infiniti that you can get with a dual clutch transmission. Dual clutch transmissions are a little bit more efficient than a regular automatic with a torque converter. Clutches just are more efficient at putting the power to the ground, and torque converters, you can sometimes lose power and performance through a torque converter. So instead of having a torque converter like a regular automatic transmission, this has two clutches. It has one clutch for the even gears and one clutch for the odd gears, so it can pre-select the next gear before you're ready to even change gears for very quick and smooth gear shifts and sporty performance. Nice synthetic leather and stitching throughout the interior. Beautiful flat bottom steering wheel that's also unique to the sport model, of this nice contrast stitching, navigation, rear parking camera, as well as a 360-degree round view monitor, Bose sound system, and this also has a park assist. The QX30 is actually the only Infiniti that's available with a park assist system. The reason why is because the QX30 shares its platform with a Mercedes-Benz GLA and GLC series. Infiniti wanted to produce a small crossover, so rather than developing one completely from scratch, they borrowed platform components from the Mercedes GLA. It's cost a lot of money to develop a car, and it's pretty common in the automotive world to share platforms between manufacturers, engines, parts. So Infiniti used a GLA/GLC platform to develop the QX30. So a lot of components are Mercedes, but there's a lot of features that are also unique to the QX30 by Infiniti. As far as the styling goes, the styling is a little bit more bolder on the QX30 versus the versus the Mercedes. You also get a longer warranty. Generally, Mercedes only has a 4-year 50,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty, but with Infiniti, you get a 4-year 60,000 bumper-to-bumper, and then you get a 6-year 70,000 powertrain warranty. So that's a little bit of an extra perk going with Infiniti versus a Mercedes version. And according to the research that I've done, the Infiniti actually seems to be a little bit lower price point. You get a little bit more bang for your buck as far as features go versus the Mercedes. Maybe because Mercedes is a little bit more well-known brand than Infiniti. They can get a little bit more of a premium for their Mercedes branded GLA and GLC series. Alloy wheel design is unique to the sport model of the QX30. Also has a little bit more sporty rubber, sporty all-season tires versus the regular all-season tires you get on the non-sports. And you also get the brake calipers with the Infiniti lettering on them. That's unique to the Sport. A little more aggressive front fascia on the Sport model as well. Really is a beautiful vehicle. I've been with Infiniti for a long time, and out of all the QX30s, the Sport model is my favorite. I love the way it looks and it feels. I love the interior, and I just love the overall look of it. You'll also get a lower ride height with the QX30 as well on the front wheel drive model. The all-wheel drive models have a higher ride height, and they have a little bit more SUV inspired styling on the all-wheel drive. You'll notice that the body side moldings and stuff are a matte finish versus a more shinier finish or metallic finish on the QX30 Sport model. The 2-liter turbocharged engine is an engine widely used in Mercedes models. It's also used by Infiniti. It makes about 208 horsepower. Features a stop-start system. This engine has also been used on the Infiniti Q50 and Q60. Infiniti actually originally built the engine for Mercedes. They designed it. Nissan, our parent company, builds a 2-liter turbocharged engine for Mercedes, so it makes perfect sense to also offer that engine and some Infiniti products as well. This QX30 is backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be new or pre-owned. So if you're looking for a sporty, I wouldn't say crossover, this is more of a sporty 5-door hatchback. This QX30 Sport is definitely worth a look. Very efficient, luxurious, fun to drive, beautiful to look at. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video, and hopefully we see you in our store very soon.